In this video, you'll learn how to get a Shopify free trial and take advantage of the 3-month promotional offer available in 2025. By following these steps, you can explore Shopify's features without any immediate financial commitment. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Shopify website. Look for the prominent free trial offer displayed on the homepage. This offer is specifically designed for new users, allowing you to access the platform without any charges. Click on the button labeled Start Free Trial to initiate the sign-up process. It is crucial to ensure you are on the official site to avoid any potential scams or misleading offers. After clicking the Start Free Trial button, you will be directed to a registration form. Here you need to enter your email address and create a secure password for your new account. Following this, the platform may prompt you to provide some basic information about your business. This could include your store name and other relevant details. Completing these fields accurately helps tailor your experience. In many cases, you will not need to provide payment information at this stage, which simplifies the setup process. Once you've filled out the required information and submitted the form, your Shopify account will be created. You will then gain access to the Shopify dashboard. This is where you can begin exploring various features such as store setup, product listings, and customization tools. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the platform during your trial period. This exploration is essential for determining whether Shopify meets your business needs. As you navigate through the dashboard, keep an eye on the duration of your free trial. It is important to track how long the trial lasts to avoid any unexpected charges once the trial period ends. If you find that the service meets your expectations and you wish to continue using it, you can upgrade your account before the trial expires. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.